Hi everyone, Blue Moon Bright Star here. This is from Huntington Beach, California. My brother taped this film and said I could upload it to YouTube. Want to show you what's going on here in Huntington Beach.
Yeah, I don't know what they put inside the trash around here, but it's obviously explosive. Fire department's taking their sweet time. I guess they don't consider this an emergency. They'd rather be checking on code violations. Hey, Lotar.
Hey, Randy.
Got any hot dogs?
Well, I got some marshmallows.
Wasn't much of a fire, but you can see that the side of the truck is starting to burn. Uh-oh, now things are starting to pop. Oh, things are starting to blow. People probably threw spray cans and some sort of pressurized cans in there, trash, and now it's blowing up. Well, they're finishing up with the fire. Got a bulldozer, they're spreading it all over the street. Fire just wouldn't go out. A lot of foam on it. Got quite a crew.
Hi, I just want to add that the firemen did a great job. The trash truck man did a great job. He dumped out the smoking stuff onto the street, and it took about 3 hours to clear this.